Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to get Forge on Minecraft. Forge lets you run mods in Minecraft. If you don't have Forge yet, or any mods installed to your Minecraft, you won't see the mods option here. By the end of this video, we'll have that mods up and running. Let's get started. First, open a browser on your computer. Next, type Forge on the search engine and hit enter. Make sure to go into the official Forge website, which is the one right here that says files.minecraftforge.net. From here, choose the specific version that you need. Make sure the Minecraft mod version you need is the same Forge version that you'll get here. For me, I'll be getting the latest version, which is 1.19.4. Go ahead and click on that, and then go to the center page and just click Installer. Keep in mind you might be routed to an ads page just like mine, so you need to go over on the top right corner of this page, wait for the timer to end, and then you'll be able to click skip. Once the Forge installer is downloaded, you can close out the browser. Go into your downloads folder and find the Forge installer. So here we go. You have to make sure you have Java installed in your computer to make this work. You can go to a browser, search Java, and download it from there. Just follow the instructions from the Java installer and it should be quick and easy. Now let's go back to the Forge installer. Right-click on it and choose Open With. We should see the Java option here. If not, you can choose another app and look Java on this list. Now here we can go ahead and install our Forge. Make sure it is on the install client option and click OK. Give it a few minutes to successfully install. Once it's done, you should see this pop-up window says complete and click OK. Now let's relaunch our Minecraft. Before you enter the game or play the game, you have to look for this list wherein you can find the Forge that you just recently installed. So here it is. Make sure to select that and then you can go ahead and enter the game. Now our Minecraft has loaded and now you know you are successfully running Forge on your Minecraft because the mods option is now here on your home screen. Click on that and then as you can see here, this is the Forge. You can go ahead and open your mods folder and click done. And that's it. That's how you get Forge on Minecraft. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.